The Camaro build has finally come to an end. That is right. Today we are finishing our 4-day Camaro, and it's been a very adventurous 4 days. Bam!
It smells like it's on fire.
Wow! Don't do what I do, kids. But we are here 4 months later. And all that we have left to do today on the Camaro are the wheels and tires, and then we're officially done. I cannot wait to show you guys the very custom set that Redline put together, and we also have some goodies from a partner I never thought would sponsor me in my entire life. Now, rather than drag it out till 8 minutes of a 10-minute video of actually showing you guys the wheels like most YouTubers, I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox them now so you guys can see. These beautiful Redline wheels, these are the GA3Rs. Look at this, you guys, a 19 by 12 and an 18 by 10. So this is double staggered and so meaty and aggressive. Oh, here's the fronts. Just kidding, they're super light. All right. The moment of truth. I haven't even seen these in person yet, so we're both gonna get to experience this together. Good thing I have my reloadable box cutter. Oh, dude. I know that the Camaro might be one of the best things that your mom has ever created, and only in 4 days time too. You may have had your doubts, and I did too, but here we are. Another thing you may have doubts about, but you won't know until you try it, is this game you may have seen advertised a lot on YouTube. It seems silly, but they wouldn't be sponsoring me if there weren't millions of players who decided to stop doubting it and give it a try. If you haven't guessed by now the game I'm talking about, I want you to comment below before the reveal to see if you know. It's a game with over 800 heroes, PvE, PvP, CVC, and many artifacts and clan bosses. That is right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about the one, the only Raid Shadow Legends. Now hear me out. The game really is a world you can easily immerse yourself in, and they continuously add more features to keep it evolving, like the latest, the Cursed City, which is one of Raid's biggest features since the Doom Tower, with 100 stages to complete. I'm not gonna lie, like any game, putting money in the game does help progress faster, but, and it's a big but, Raid has a lot of endgame players who are completely free to play. What are you waiting for? How many Raid ads will it take for you to simply give it a shot? Support the channel and click my link in the description below, or scan the QR code to try it today and get insane bonuses available via my link. You will immediately receive 500k silver, energy, and chicken, and then Epic Juliana after reaching level 15. She is a boss killer and attack type warrior, yielding the magic affinity, thus very powerful against enemies with affinity. Come find me under the name Amelia and join my clan Ecrew, and we'll be legends together. So hit the link in my description below, and I will see you on the battlefield. I've always wanted to do their Hampton Gold color series, and I just feel like the Hampton Gold is going to match this gray so perfectly, and looking at it, I can already tell. I can already tell. I'm genuinely so excited for these wheels. This is bigger than my body.
It's half the width of the Camaro.
Yeah, but... Ooh. Oh, those are nice.
She's thick.
And I just love this. We got Michelin PS4S's paired with the Redline thick boys on the 1,000 horsepower Camaro. And Sandy doesn't usually like my spec, but he's been sitting here just staring at those wheels.
Thinking, what are you doing? Oh, we know what we're doing. We're building a badass car.
Hell yeah. Something tells me Santa's gonna be stealing this Camaro from me.
Yep.
Now that you guys have seen the wheels and tires, I have another surprise for you. But I'm gonna send my cousin Donovan to get these mounted and balanced. And while he's off doing that, I gotta show you something pretty special for this car.
That's pretty.
Yeah, right?
That's pretty.
It looks so good.
It's gonna fit the car very well.
Dude, I think so too. I feel like the colors and everything is just there.
That's a good combo right there.
Yeah, and you see how wide that tire is?
That's a thick boy right there.
Oh, good. Get out of here. You're going to demonetize me. Before these go to the wheel and tire shop, I just have to see what they look like on the car. So I think let's throw her on the lift real quick. Let's put a wheel on and let's look at these. Oh my God. That's a lot of tire. Oh my gosh. These are insane.
and it's like perfectly flush. I think we're gonna have to roll the fenders a little bit, but we were talking about doing that anyways. We're gonna buy one for the shop because I think all the cars could use that. All right, loaded in the front here and ready to go. Thank you, Nissan, for letting me borrow a truck. Super helpful. So after years of going to SEMA and constantly seeing their incredible work and seeing the amazing builds that they do, I never in a million years thought that one, I'd get a chance to build my dream Camaro, but two, that I would be sponsored by Ring Brothers. The Ring Brothers sent me a bunch of accessories for the Camaro that I'm so excited. It's gonna give it a little bit extra of that modern look. Just look at these billet black anodized door handles. And I love the accents of the silver hardware on the face of it. And these are gonna match perfectly with the new side mirrors that they sent. Look at these, they're so sleek. I love the texture on these billet side mirrors. All black, of course, to match the black accents. We have the trunk hinges as well as these new hood hinges. And you guys will see how crazy ridiculous the stock ones look compared to these billet ones. Also, what they sent here is pretty special. I'm about to unbox this to show you guys the brand new steering wheel that the Ring Brothers sent me. They wanted to send me this first, and then I'm actually shipping it back to them because they're gonna do a custom paint job on it. Take a look at this. Oh, I love a little pin, but what I also love is this. This is the Ring Brothers carbon billet steering wheel. And just to show you guys what I'm gonna do a color stripe of red here to match the other accents, as well as on the face of this billet wheel, they're gonna paint this black for me. So then you'll have the machine look right on the outer edges. It'll be black inside here with the red stripe and the carbon wheel. Oh my gosh. This is wild. I wasn't even the one to reach out to them. I never in a million years thought that they would want to be sponsoring some of the stuff that I'm doing. So this is really cool. While the tires are getting mounted, I think let's go ahead and start installing some of these accessory pieces. After that, it's tires and baby, we're done and we're gonna take this on the road. So I think we start by, let's maybe start with the door handles. These are cool, dude.
That's a nice piece.
God, I've never heard Sandy say that before.
It's a nice piece. It's tasteful.
Yeah, right?
Why'd you hand me the passenger side one? I want the driver's side one.
Like I said, Sandy's gonna be stealing this Camaro from me.
Trying to tell me something?
Which honestly, I got no problem. Drive this car whenever you want.
Oh, okay. You won't see it for years. Well, I mean, you'll see it every other day, but for years.
I won't drive it for years, is what you're saying. Let's get these handles swapped out. And there we go. Oh, that looks so good. I was torn on whether I wanted to do the black or just keep it all one flush color, but I love it. Next up, to do the side mirrors, but the only problem with the side mirrors is these aren't the factory Camaro side mirrors. These are from a different bodied car, because look, the width is so much different. The upper ones are so much longer than this. I'm gonna remove them and swap them anyways. Worst case, we take them to paint and they just do a little correction there. Whoa, look at the difference that makes. And yes, unfortunately, there was a hole. We have a lot of paint touching up to do on this car anyways, so while it's at paint, we'll just have them fix that bit right there. The other side actually doesn't have a hole. This is gonna be such a huge upgrade. The sun is coming down straight into the wheel. That's when you know it's a sign. Yeah, this looks spicy. This looks real good inside of this car.
Yeah, it looks really cool.
This looks so sick.
I'm with you on the painting of the black though.
Yeah, so all of this will be black. The only silver part will be this part.
Yeah.
And there we have it. Just in time because Donovan just made it back with the wheels and tires. These look so sick.
Dog.
They
That
came
is
out awesome.
Fire. That
Look
is
how
money.
deep dish these are too. Oh my goodness. I think we go ahead and put these on the Camaro right now. Lenny, what do you think? Do we put these on the Camaro? Yeah, I think so. Give me 360 if you think so. How about wave? Wave to everyone. Say hi. Hi. Good girl. Oh, missed. All right, let's get these unloaded. I love that because this is black. It just doesn't look as low profile. But honestly, it's got a good sidewall on it.
That's a lot of sidewall on
I
it.
thought it was gonna look a little more low profile than it does.
Sandy, can you spell onomatopoeia? Nope.
Sandy, can you spell anti-establishment terrorism?
Can you spell go f yourself?
All right, time to pull the beast out of the cave. Fires right up! Oh my god! that's one badass Camaro, you guys. Look how sick this looks. She's officially finished. We got the wheels, the tires, the exhaust, the motor, everything is done. We're doing a little data logging, some fine tuning. I'm just curious what would happen if I
Spins the tires, no problem.
That was like butter. That was easy. Didn't leave as much tire smoke as I was thinking. Do I spin or do I try to get traction?
I think you try to get traction.
Should I try to get a little traction?
Yeah.
That actually got a good amount of traction.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm used to the old tires having like those little itty bitties on here. Now with 325s, we're hooking pretty good. Oh man, if I ever want to cry when acting, I just gotta fire this car. I just love this car so much.
It sounds so good. I'm crying.
It sounds so good, and it's just, I'm so emotional that the car's finally finished. The car rips so good that the knob just came flying off the radio.
You're only getting like half throttle because the carpet. So
I
we
forgot
just
about
gotta
that.
And you want to
Yo, yo, yo.
What's up? You heard my Camaro's out to play, so you brought yours?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at this thing.
Yeah, right?
Actually looks good.
Dude, yours sounds good.
Well, that, dude, mine's supercharged. Mine's muffled. I heard you put a cam in the thing.
And what
In the
thing?
Harley.
Yeah, of course. It's part of the 1,000-mile oil change.
Oh, you painted the bumpers too.
No, they were already painted when I got it.
And somebody painted
I
the
feel like
bumpers.
we need to do this carbon fiber. It needs a little more two-toneness in the
Does it
back.
have a carbon splitter in the front?
Yeah.
Are you ready to lose? Somebody stole your wipers.
Oh man.
Shit, they stole mine too. Not only did they steal mine, they filled it in.
Well, at least they filled yours in.
They
I wish
filled
they would
it
have done
in.
that for me.
Wow, really nice.
Wait, let's pop the hood on yours.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Everybody's seen this one. This is old.
Dude, that's fucking cool though. I need you to comment below and let me know, do you think Allie's supercharged LS9 would take the 408 twin turbo? I don't think so. I think we'd walk Allie in a race.
Let's go to the track. Quarter
Let's do
mile.
it.
Quarter mile. Anytime.
Okay, okay. Bye, Allie. Wow, what an exit. Oh, we got a few good rips on her. We need to fix the throttle cable because right now we're only getting like half throw and the 4-day Camaro build is done. I think what we have to do next is bring this back to the previous owner, right?
You're gonna rub it all in his face?
No, that's not the intent. I thought it'd be fun to show him the build. He wanted to see it when we were done with it. Also, we have found a new shop officially, so we will be moving in. I'll show you guys hopefully in the next episode. I can't show it to you just yet, but it's a much bigger space than what we have now. With that said, Ecrew, thank you for watching. We out here with love. Bye! Lastly, I also just have to give a thank you again to Holly, Detroit Speed, Forgeline, Michelin, Ring Brothers, Bear Brakes, and DEI, all my incredible partners and sponsors. If I left anyone out, I'm terribly sorry. I'll link in the description below.
This is what commitment to the shop looks like.
No,
Allie's trying to cheat.
Why don't you just pull this down, dude? Oh, it pulls the pedal.
Yeah.
Thanks, Raid, for sponsoring today's video. Guys, go try it so they'll help me create more content.